Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich here with your outlook for September 11th, 2017. Starting off with Hurricane Irma, which of course made landfall last night near Marco Island and then of course crossed over Naples and into central Florida. This was very, very, very well handled by the European model from Friday at 12Z. It took a track very similar to what the European model is projecting. And I'll tell you what, as far as the European model is concerned, it's already the best model we have. It's now unanimously the best tropical model we have as well. So if we're going to be looking at future events, we're definitely going to be leaning more heavily on the European model. Not that we didn't already, but just to hopefully the meteorological community will lean on the European model a little bit more heavily when it comes to tropical forecasting, because it was spot on at many different points during the different model cycles, where it had it going across northern Cuba and then coming across where the exact landfall point and then coming up the spine of Florida. So that will continue to happen today, where we'll actually move into northern Florida. Still a lot of high winds and very heavy rain and even some storm surge on the eastern side of Florida, northeastern side of Florida, but not as great as it was upon landfall. And we'll be dealing with that today as we get into Monday morning and afternoon. We're actually going to cross in the afternoon. We should have it up near the Georgia-Florida border, and that is going to sit situated right here. But in our area, we're expecting mostly sunny skies as a result of high pressure sitting over top of the area. So a very nice day again, but the temperatures are going to increase a little bit today from what they were yesterday. So we're at temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, maybe near 80 down here in the Philadelphia metro. So going a little bit forward from this, we're going to watch Irma continue off to the northwest. That's going to go into, again, across southwestern Georgia. That's going to move across to Montgomery, Alabama, and then eventually will settle near Memphis, Tennessee, and then it will kind of fizzle out from that point. We will have another nice day here on Tuesday, partly cloudy skies, and then clouds will increase overnight. We'll have the opportunity for a few showers, just a few, coming through very early on Wednesday morning, and that's kind of like from an outside feeder band of Irma, but you can see that kind of fizzles and falls apart during the afternoon on Wednesday, so we're not expecting much in the way of precipitation, maybe just a few showers on Wednesday. But this complex here, not much left to it. It's going to become a remnant wave, and that will eventually move eastward, and everything has to move eastward and get out of here. It doesn't just disappear like poof, like magic here. So it's going to move eastward. And this is look at Thursday now, Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening. I think it still stays away from the area. But then we get into the overnight, Thursday night, and again on Friday, we'll have those remnant showers that in association with what was formerly Irma. But this is, of course, in a much, much weakened state. So we're just talking about a few showers, maybe a thunderstorm coming through here later on Friday, and that's it. That's all we're talking about on Friday. This is your remnants, and that's all we're talking about as far as remnants with Irma moving through from west to east. But after that point, we're talking about a very nice weekend. High pressure is going to move back in behind this, and we're expecting a dry Saturday, and the same thing here on Sunday. We're going to call it partly cloudy both days, though, because we have some systems nearby, but not expecting any precipitation on either of the upcoming weekend days as of right now. So it does look like another nice weekend coming up. Most of this weekend, again, look, most of this entire week is primarily dry. We just have this week. It would be an entirely dry week if it wasn't for the remnants of Irma coming through on Wednesday, and that's going to be Wednesday morning, a few showers, and then again here on Friday with this band of showers and perhaps a thunderstorm coming through. And this is with the actual wave that was once former Irma. So, again, Hurricane Irma will become a tropical storm today as it moves across the deep southeast into the Tennessee Valley, western Tennessee Valley, which it will dissipate, and then it will eventually come through here on Friday with remnant showers. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchich. That is your outlook for September 11th, 2017. Have a great Monday.